I saw a few of them, some talented batters, very good balance at the crease, you know, and also the players, the bowlers as well. So it's been an amazing camp. You know, it's good to see so much talent here in Pakistan.
Always looking for good talent, and the bowlers are coming through. But an important aspect will be to get the batters to come through. The talent is not short, not in Pakistan, not anywhere in the world.
Last three.
I think one of the crucial factors is when you have the talent is the nurturing process for them to get to the international level. Okay. And that is the most important, because every country's got talent, but the structures that lead up to international cricket is very vital.